All right, the next module we're going to talk about is the module we call the Day in History module. So I went to the Manage Modules, New Module, and now I'm going to click on Day in History for this new module, and I'm going to say Submit. So what the Day in History does is it allows you to add in a content such as an anniversary, and it allows you to put it into your CMS page and have it show for the yearly anniversary or for the week or for the month or whatever time frame you specify. So we're in the module right now. You see Day in History. I'm going to click on this button that says Add Day in History. So let's give this a title. I'm going to call this CMS 201 Recording. And now we're going to put the day that this event happened. So we'll say this is October, we'll say 17, 2019. And then you're given the options of how you want this anniversary to be shown. Do you want it to be only shown on the date of that anniversary, so for just that day? Do you want it to be shown on the month, so the entire month of October? Or do you want it to be shown between a custom date? So if I want it to be shown, say, October 10th through October 25th, I can specify that as well. And so then you can come down here and you give this a description. So we can say on this day, we recorded a video on the Day in History module. So we've entered some text, and then you can choose an image if you want to. So I'll choose on this file here, and let's just pick this picture here. So now we've got a picture, we've got our event, and I'm going to click on Submit. So now that we've got our event added, let's add the Day in History module to our CMS page. So I'm going to go to Content, and I'm going to go to the page that I wish to add this to, so this modules page here. And then from here, I'm now going to click on the Modules button over here in the bottom right-hand side. And now I will select Day in History. And now you see that that module has been added. And then if I click on Preview, you can see how it looks like. It shows Day in History, and then it will show you the event that you've added. So you can add in many events if you want to, and then you can have it automatically be displayed on that particular anniversary.